Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today we are going to discuss how to find the solution of the linear equation in two variables. Let us recall what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So how to find out the solution of the linear equation? Let us take the example and then I'll tell you what is the meaning of solution. 2x plus y is equal to 6. This is a linear equation in two variables, though it is not in the standard form, but it is a linear equation in two variables. So let's take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Let us solve for left hand side. 2x plus y. So 2 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to RHS. See, at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, you are getting the left hand side is equal to right hand side. This means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. What the solution basically means is the value of x and y for which the given equation is satisfied, it is known as the solution of the linear equation in two variables. Let us find more solution for it. If I substitute x is equal to 0, then what will I get? Y is equal to 6, because x is equal to 0, so 2 into 0 is 0 plus y is equal to 6, so y is equal to 6. Let us substitute x is equal to 1. So y will be equal to, what you will get? Y, that is 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 6. So 2 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. So you are getting y as 4. X is equal to 2. So you are getting y as also 2 because I have substituted the solution already. Let's say if I substitute y is equal to 0. If I substitute y is equal to 0, so 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3. That means when x is 3, you are getting y as 0. So you are getting as many solutions for this equation, because if I am substituting either x to be any value, I am getting y, corresponding y. If I am substituting the value of y, any value of y, I am getting the corresponding x. So that means the linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. That means there are a lot of solutions for this equation, or you can say any linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions, because I am putting some value of y, I am getting the value of x, I am putting some value of x, I am getting the value of y. So that means a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Now, so I hope the meaning of solution is clear to everyone. That is the value of x and y for which the given equation is satisfied, that is known as the solution of the linear equation. Now let's proceed to exercise 4.2. Your first question is y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now this is a linear equation in two variables. You are given the options that this equation has no solution, infinitely many solutions, or unique solution. So this is a linear equation in two variables, so it has infinitely many solutions. Let's say you are asked that you need to find out the solution of this equations. You can find out any number of solutions. Let's say if I'll put the value of x as 1, if I'm putting x as 1, what will I get? Y. 3 into 1 plus 5, so I will get 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. If I'll substitute x is equal to 2, that means y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5, that means 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. If I'll substitute x is equal to 3, I will get y as 3 into 3. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So I can substitute or I can put any value of x, I will get the values of y. So this equation has infinitely many solutions. Now your question number 2 is, let's say you are given the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is the question number 2, first part. 2x plus y is equal to 7. You need to find the 4 solutions of this equation. Although we can find any number of solutions, but we need to find 4 solutions according to the question. So here I can write y is equal to 7 minus 2x, because we need to put the value of x or y, we can get the corresponding x or y. So let's substitute x is equal to 1. If I'll put x is equal to 1, then y will be equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. So 7 minus 2 is your 5. Let's substitute the value x as 2. So what will I get? Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2. That means 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Let's substitute x is equal to 3. So what will I get? Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. That means 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. If I'll substitute x is equal to 4, so y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 4. So 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. So these are the 4 solutions of this equation. Now we can make the table for it. And I can write the solutions here, x and y. When the x is 1, you are getting y as 5. When x is 2, you are getting y as 3. When x is 3, you are getting y as 1. And when you have x as 4, you are getting y as minus 1. So these are the 4 solutions of this equation. So you can be given any of the equation and you will be asked to find out as many solutions for any of the linear equation in 2 variables. So you can solve question number 2 according to the given linear equation. Now the question number 3 is you are given the equation as x minus 2y is equal to 4. And now you are given the equation, linear equation in 2 variables, and you need to check whether the given solutions are the solutions of this equation or not. Let's take first part is 0, 2. You are given this linear equation in 2 variables and you need to check whether this is the solution of this equation or not. So what we have to do is we need to substitute x as 0 and y as 2, and you need to check whether the equation is satisfied or not. So let us check. LHS is equal to x is 0 minus 2 into 2. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4, which is not equal to 4. That means your LHS is not equal to RHS. So you can say therefore 0, 2 is not the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Similarly, you are given 2, 0. You need to check whether this is the solution of this equation or not. Let's substitute. X is 2 minus 2 into 0. So 2 minus 0 is again 2, which is not equal to your RHS because RHS is 4. So they both are not equal. Therefore, 2, 0 is not the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Your, let's say, third part is given as 4, 0. You need to check whether this is the solution or not. Let's substitute in left hand side. So 4 minus 2 into 0 is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, which is equal to 4, which is equal to RHS. So now LHS is equal to RHS. That means this satisfies the given equation. So therefore 4, 0 is the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. So this is how we can check out whether the given solution is the solution of the given equation or not. We need to just put the value of x and y, and we have to check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Now question number 4. Your question number 4 is, you need to find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. You need to find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. You are already given that 2, 1, or you can say x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. So what we have to do is you have to substitute the value of x and y. X is your 2 and y is your 1. So 2 2s are 4, 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to k. So 7 is equal to k. So the value of k is your 7. So you can find out the value of the unknown constant if you are given the solution of the equation. Let's take one more example for it. Find the value of k if x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 3 is the solution of equation, let's take 4x plus 5y is equal to k. Again, you are given the value of x and you are given the value of y. That means this is the solution and you need to find the value of k. So what will I do? I will just substitute the value 4 into minus 4 plus 5 into 3 is equal to k. 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 plus 15 is equal to k. So minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1 is equal to k. So this is how we can find out the value of k. So in this exercise, what you have to check whether the given equation has how many solutions. So the linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Second type of question is you are given the equation, linear equation in two variables, and you need to find out the number of solutions. It can be 3 solutions, 4 solutions, as many solutions you can find out. Because if you put the value of x, you will get the corresponding value of y. Similarly, if you put the value of y, you will get the corresponding value of x. And then if you are given the linear equation and you need to check whether the given solution is the solution or not, you just have to put the value of x and y and you have to check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. If they both are equal, that means the given solution is the solution of the linear equation. If not equal, that means the given solution is not the solution. And last type of question is you can find out the value of k. If you are given x and y value, means solution is given to you and you need to find out the value of k. So you have to just substitute the value or put the value and you will get the value of the unknown constant, that is k. So through this session, you will be able to solve exercise 4.2. Thank you.